Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to cook food in Hytale. So as you can see, I have cooked wild meat right here, and the first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and press tab on your keyboard. This will open up Pocket Crafting, and from there I want you to go ahead and build a campfire. Now to craft a campfire, you need 4 sticks and 2 rubbles. Any rubble works. Then you can craft this. To get rubble, you just need to mine these stones. As you can see, we got rubble. And for sticks, you just go ahead and chop down trees. And then you just go ahead and build your campfire. Once you've crafted your campfire, come here and press F, and then I want you to add a fuel source. So you can go ahead and add sticks as your fuel source, and you can turn it on, but let's go ahead and add an input. Let's go ahead and have this raw pork right here, and then we'll click on turn on, and this will go ahead and cook for us. As you can see, we have our cooked wild meat now, and there you go. Really that easy, and that is how to cook food in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.